If you're upgrading your car's audio system, connecting an aftermarket antenna can be tricky. This factory radio to aftermarket antenna connector is designed specifically for select 1988 to 2005 Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and VW vehicles. It plugs directly into your factory antenna socket, making installation seamless and hassle-free. What you get is a precise fit that ensures a secure connection without any complicated wiring. The adapter weighs just 1.0 pounds, so it's lightweight and won't add bulk behind your dashboard. It's built to match the factory plug perfectly, which means no cutting or splicing is required. One user shared how this adapter worked flawlessly for their 2003 to 2007 Cadillac CTS, even though it's a GM vehicle. Since the stock radio was manufactured in Germany, this connector fit perfectly. They simply wrapped some exposed metal with electrical tape to eliminate any white noise, resulting in a clean, clear signal. Another review highlights a perfect fit for their Cadillac, emphasizing the product's reliability and ease of use. These real-world experiences show that this connector isn't just designed for European cars, it works well for compatible models with German-made radios too. Why does this matter? When upgrading your antenna, a bad connection can cause static, signal loss, or constant noise. This adapter prevents those issues by maintaining the integrity of your factory radio system while letting you enjoy modern aftermarket antenna benefits. If you're tired of struggling with antenna adapters that don't fit or cause interference, this product is worth a look. It streamlines your upgrade process and delivers the clear reception you expect from a quality car audio setup. Try it when you're ready to enhance your car's sound system without the frustration of incompatible parts. Whether you drive an Audi, BMW, Mercedes, VW, or a compatible Cadillac, this antenna connector makes the transition smooth and reliable. Don't settle for static or poor reception when upgrading your antenna. This factory radio to aftermarket antenna connector is a simple, effective solution that preserves your factory radio's performance while letting you enjoy aftermarket accessories. Check it out and experience the difference.